DIY Gourmet presents Cooking and Heating the Holiday Ham. In today's edition, I'll be showing you how to heat a non-spiral cut holiday ham. First, preheat the oven to 315 degrees Fahrenheit or 157 Celsius. Then, put the ham face cut side down, cover it in foil, and stick it in the oven for 120 minutes once the oven has preheated. Once it is released from the oven and ready to go, let it sit for about 5 minutes before uncovering it. Otherwise, the juices will evaporate and much will be lost. You want to keep that juice in there. This ham is already cooked, so all you're doing is reheating it. A ratio of 11 minutes for each pound of the meat of the ham. Now, as you can see, the ham is nice and bouncy, and that's where you want it to be. Do it yourself gourmet, everybody. Happy holidays, enjoy the ham, and we'll see you next time.